Listen. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hoo-hoo! What kind of bells do you like?
I love Jingle Bell.
What's your favorite bell?
Jingle.
Jingle bells. Do you like bells?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of bells do you know about?
Fireman's bell.
A fireman's bell. That's a good one.
And church bell.
Church bell. What bells do you know?
I know fire alarm. Telephone bell.
Ah, telephone bell. What about this one? Tick tock, tick tock, tick
Clock
tock,
bell.
ding. A clock bell. Right. What about this one? Ding, 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 ding.
Alarm clock.
Alarm clock. Do you like alarm bells?
Yes.
Why do you like alarm bells?
Because alarm bell wake us early.
Do you know other kinds of bells?
Yes.
What other kinds of bells are there?
Christmas bell.
Christmas bells, okay. And where do you see Christmas bells?
Like this.
Oh, you could see the ding, ding. Any other bells?
Phone bell.
Ah, phone bell. Ring, ring. And how does this bell ring?
Bwang.
Bwang.
Fire engine bell.
Oh, a fire engine bell. Fire engines. I like fire engines. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Wow! There are so many bells in the world. But my favorite bells of all are jingle bells.
Kids English School. 키즈톡톡.